Dialogue 1.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, just dealing with the usual daily grind. You?
Same here. Work has been hectic lately. Anything exciting happening on your end?
Well, I started a new hobby learning to play the guitar. It's challenging but fun.
That sounds cool. I've always wanted to pick up a musical instrument. How's the learning process going?
It's a bit slow, but I'm enjoying the journey. What about you? Any new projects at work?
Yeah, we're launching a new initiative next month. It's been keeping me busy, but I'm hopeful it'll make a positive impact.
That's awesome. It's great to see your hard work paying off. What's the initiative about?
We're focusing on sustainability and incorporating eco-friendly practices into our operations. It's a step towards making a difference.
That's commendable. I've been trying to be more environmentally conscious too, like reducing plastic usage. Small steps, you know?
Absolutely, every little effort counts. By the way, have you watched any interesting movies or read any good books lately?
Oh, I recently watched this thought-provoking documentary about climate change. It really opened my eyes to the urgency of the issue.
Sounds intriguing. Mind sharing the title? I'm always on the lookout for informative documentaries.
Sure, it's called Our Planet, Our Future. It's on one of the streaming platforms. Definitely worth a watch.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll check it out. Anyway, gotta run for now. Let's catch up soon.
Absolutely. Take care and talk to you later.
Dialogue 2.
I've been thinking about incorporating more sustainable practices in my personal life too. Have you made any changes at home?
Definitely. I've switched to reusable bags, started composting, and I'm even looking into solar panels for the house. Small steps, but every bit helps.
That's inspiring. I should consider making similar changes. By the way, how's your family reacting to these eco-friendly adjustments?
They're on board for the most part, though convincing the kids to embrace composting has been a bit of a challenge. But we're getting there.
It's always a journey, isn't it? On a different note, any other hobbies you're thinking of exploring in the future?
Well, I've been contemplating taking up hiking. There's a beautiful trail nearby. Nature, fresh air, and exercise that seems like a perfect combination.
Hiking sounds like a fantastic idea. Let me know when you plan to go. I might join you. Speaking of which, any interesting places you've visited recently?
Not recently, but last month, we went on a road trip to the mountains. The scenery was breathtaking, and we discovered this charming little town with the best local cuisine.
That sounds like an amazing getaway. I need to plan something similar soon. Any recommendations for must-visit places?
Well, if you enjoy nature, you should definitely check out the national park near those mountains. The hiking trails there are stunning.
Thanks for the tip. I'll look into it. Alright, I better get going. Let's catch up again soon.
Absolutely. Take care and looking forward to our next chat.
Dialogue 3.
Before you go, have you heard about the upcoming company event? They're organizing a team building retreat next month.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. Any details on the location or activities planned?
It's at a picturesque lakeside resort. The agenda includes team building exercises, workshops, and some leisure activities like kayaking and hiking. Should be a great opportunity to bond with colleagues.
Count me in. I'm always up for a bit of adventure and team bonding. Speaking of work, have you had a chance to use the new collaboration tools they implemented?
Yes, the new tools have streamlined communication and project management. It's making collaboration much more efficient. Have you found them helpful?
Absolutely. It's made coordinating tasks and sharing updates a breeze. By the way, did you catch up on that new podcast series everyone's been talking about?
Not yet. What's it called? And what's it about?
It's called Innovation Insights, They feature interviews with industry leaders discussing the latest trends and innovations. It's been quite enlightening.
Sounds intriguing. I'll add it to my podcast list. Anyway, I won't keep you any longer. Take care, and let's catch up soon.
You too. Looking forward to it.
Dialogue 4.
Hey, how's your week going so far?
It's been a bit hectic, but I can't complain. How about yours?
Same here. Work has been keeping me busy. By the way, I heard there's a new exhibit at the art gallery downtown. Are you into art?
Definitely. I love exploring different forms of art. Let's plan to check it out this weekend.
Sounds like a plan. On a different note, have you tried that new restaurant that opened in our neighborhood?
Not yet. What type of cuisine do they offer?
It's a fusion place, mixing Asian and Mediterranean flavors. I've heard great things about their sushi rolls.
Count me in for a dinner date there. Oh, speaking of food, have you tried making that homemade pizza recipe I shared with you?
Yes, and it was a hit. The family loved it. Thanks for the recipe. Anything else you've been cooking up lately?
I've been experimenting with vegetarian dishes. Found a fantastic chickpea curry recipe you might like.
Send it my way. I'm always looking for tasty meatless options. By the way, have you made any progress on your fitness goals?
Slowly but surely, I started incorporating more outdoor activities like cycling. It's a refreshing change.
That's awesome. I need to get back into a regular fitness routine too. Maybe we can motivate each other.
Absolutely. Let's plan some outdoor workouts together. All right, I should get back to work. Catch up with you later.
Sounds good. Take care, and talk to you soon.
Dialogue 5.
Hey, did you catch that new documentary everyone's talking about?
Not yet. What's it called, and what's it about?
It's called Changing Tides, and it explores the impact of climate change on coastal communities. It's eye-opening.
Sounds interesting. I'll add it to my watch list. On a different note, have you heard about the upcoming music festival in the city?
Yeah, I got tickets. The lineup looks amazing. Are you planning to attend?
I'm still considering it. Let me know if you hear about any must-see performances. Speaking of music, have you discovered any new artists lately?
I recently came across this indie band called Lunar Echoes. Their sound is unique and quite mesmerizing. You might enjoy them.
I'll check them out. Thanks for the recommendation. By the way, have you been keeping up with any new TV shows?
Yes, I started watching this mystery series called Cypher. The plot twists are mind-blowing.
Nice. I'll add that to my list. Oh, before I forget, have you tried that new workout app everyone is raving about?
Yeah, I've been using it for a few weeks. The variety of workouts keeps things interesting. Want me to share the app with you?
Absolutely. I'm looking to switch up my fitness routine. Thanks for the tip. All right, I'll let you get back to your day. Catch up with you soon.
Sounds good. Take care, and talk to you later. Dialogue 6. Hey, how's it going? Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not much, just thinking of catching up on some reading. Speaking of which, have you read any good books lately?
I just finished a thriller called The Silent Observer. It had me hooked from start to finish. Highly recommend it.
Nice. I'll add it to my reading list. By the way, have you tried that new meditation app? It's been a game changer for me.
I've heard about it. What's so special about it?
It has guided meditations tailored to different moods and situations, helps with stress and relaxation. Give it a shot.
Will do. Thanks for the suggestion. On a different note, did you see the recent sports match?
Unfortunately, I missed it. How did our team do?
They won. It was an intense match with a thrilling comeback. You should catch the highlights.
That's awesome news. I'll definitely watch the highlights. By the way, Have you been to that new cafe downtown? The one with the cozy atmosphere?
Yeah, I went there last weekend. The ambience is fantastic, and the coffee is top notch. We should grab a cup together sometime.
Absolutely, count me in. Oh, before I forget, have you thought about joining that photography workshop next month?
I've been considering it. It could be a great opportunity to enhance my photography skills. Are you planning to attend?
Yeah, I already registered. It would be fun to learn together. All right, I won't keep you any longer. Have a great day.
You too. Catch up with you soon.